In the world of industrial automation, vacuum systems are essential. From packaging to material handling, choosing the right system is crucial for success. Today, I will guide you through 3 easy steps to a reliable vacuum system. In the first step, we must decide between a centralized or a decentralized ejector system. A centralized system, like the ZKJ vacuum manifold, integrates all the components into one module, saving installation time and simplifying maintenance. It also supports factory-wide connectivity with IO-Link or fieldbus communications. Decentralized systems can be cheaper and flexible, ideal for applications with widely spaced vacuum cups. However, they may require a central PLC for intelligent control, which adds complexity. In the second step, we choose the right ejector based on our suction flow and workpiece material. Non-porous materials are easy, but porous ones like cardboard need careful consideration. Also consider factors and functions like energy efficiency, workpiece drop prevention, and communication capabilities. Our ejectors with energy saving function can reduce air consumption by over 90%, saving significant energy and costs. The third and the last step. Choose vacuum pads based on the workpiece size, shape, and material. For oily metal sheets, use a robust pad with high lateral gripping force. For glass, use a non-marking cup, and for thin plastic bags, use cups with a flexible lip to ensure good contact. Consider the ambient conditions too. In dusty environments, use pads with integrated filters or durable materials like our FS61 rubber. That offers more than twice the service life of urethane cups. Here at SMC, we can provide design and application support to ensure your vacuum system is safe, reliable, productive, and energy efficient. With our extensive expertise and proven track record, you can trust us to give your project a lift with a perfect vacuum system.